All my damn no friend them, Alberto, Darrell, Len, Mr. T, Baba and the crew. We can't be another million now, so me have to just do some video business, alright? So all the crew hold tight until we can play domino again, alright?
You guys have a name?
Santi says so, alright? Scarborough says so. Original Scarborough man, alright? All your peace and be safe and everything, alright?
Hey guys, it's Kim and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my beautiful face, please consider hitting the subscribe button because it really does help me a lot and it is completely free. So please subscribe. Today I have my dad.
Santi the fashion man, the original makeup artist.
Okay, so he tried coming for my crown. He did my makeup the other day. I'll link the video right here. So today I'm here to do his makeup because growing up, they always told me I look like him. I personally don't see it. Don't try it in the comments because I don't look like him. So today I'm gonna see how much we actually look alike. I'm gonna turn my dad into me.
Me?
They always said I look like you with a wig. So
Wow.
we're gonna test that theory today.
Good luck.
Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with concealing because we have to conceal all of this. Turn to me, sir. There's so much to conceal. I can't conceal your muscles.
Have mercy, Jesus Christ.
You have to turn this way, sir.
Whoa.
You don't need to look at yourself. Oh, Christ. I'm ready to get real. I'm not going to conceal your mustache. You can't look. You don't get to look yet. If you look like it, I'm going to be so mad.
This is how we measure one.
No, I'm trying to see how we actually look alike. Because I've been disrespected my entire life. Oh, my God, he's a monster. Wait.
That's a ghost.
No. Oh, my goodness. I'm crying. Oh, my God. Your face is so tough. It's like the makeup is just not blending out. I'm a professional. God, I need you to know more than ever because as much as it's gonna blend out.
Yes. You got money? I think so.
Okay. We're gonna use Naked Urban Decay. I think that's what it's called. And we're gonna need a lot. We're gonna need. Let's just open this in the store. Oh, Jesus, please be a makeup guru because
This is the only time, you know, no more time, you know. They say you want to look, if you look like you. Yeah, Wanda, make sure, you know, because.
you would never let me do your makeup again?
No.
Why?
Oh.
Don't look. You can't keep looking until. What do you think about pretty? Miracles can happen. Those who come over. You're not scared? You realize it's so weird. I can't tell where I can put.
Mommy.
Please don't call me.
What?
Oh, Christ.
Yes, ma'am?
Yes, mom.
Like, over your face. Yeah, it smells fishy.
You're doing makeup for your girl. So, yes, ma'am? Hello, ma'am? Yes, ma'am?
This is not a ma'am.
Yes, yes.
This is a sir.
No, he's wearing makeup. She's wearing makeup. Yes, ma'am?
Mamma mia.
You look like the Walking Dead.
Walking Dead.
You look casting. You look casting ready. Just do this.
Wow.
Do this.
Oh, God.
Daddy, I knew you were unattractive, but my God. Okay. I'm gonna show them the finished look.
Going back to Africa now.
You can't just look at the screen, sorry, you have to wait till
Oh my god.
You're fully transformed.
Oh my god. What are you now?
I'm African Zulu.
What are you doing here, father? All this brown thing on his forehead and his two cheeks and on his.
Jesus Christ. No, is what, Zulu now?
No. That's a conceal.
You should be Kazuma. Whatever you say.
Papa, you're wicked. Papa, you're wicked.
Wait, I think you look cute.
This is like bullet gun to a man's head. Next time, I promise you. Nothing at all, I promise you next time. Next time. No deal. Me not put up with no deal. No deal. Any deal you say me every sign?
You look
no,
cute.
No.
We have to wait until it's done. Like,
Oh my God. This is like well gun to your head.
look.
Jesus have mercy. Wow. You can get that, Nasa. Wow.
My God!
Never seen a band like this. Whoa. Papa.
Lord.
You treat your father like this?
What's the problem, sir?
You look like a Zulu. Like somebody following a mud and water. Like somebody go come from red ground. And when I follow you slide and you slide and you drop.
Oh my goodness, I'm actually tearing up. Oh my lord. And they say I look like you. I'm so mad.
I don't know who me look like right now.
Oh Lord.
You don't look like anybody I've ever seen before. Look.
You look like a woman. Woman.
Okay, let's go at your eye. Let's brighten up your face. What color do you want?
I don't care.
You're so
When you're in jail, you can't have no choice.
Oh my god.
You never know. You're going worse and worse and worse and worse. You tell me, say, you just give me a cut, an ear cut. I turn up to this fierce.
You didn't pay me for the haircut, so that's what you get. And so you get just nothing for your haircut. Hey, I'm not that like, ooh, I think you're an old person. Okay, let's bring some color back into your face.
More?
You look ugly.
Okay, you have one choice, you know. No more deal after this. Tell you that.
Why?
No more deal, my friend.
If you ever wondered about what you look like as a woman,
Yeah. No more deal.
Daddy, why? You look handsome.
No. Wow. Jesus Christ. You can laugh all the way you want to laugh, you know, because you have one choice you have, you know. This, the way you have to do this time, you can't have no more.
Listen, blame God for your features, not me.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to enhance them.
You know, help me like this?
You look good.
Okay, don't worry. You have one choice. Shoot.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how mad are you?
Me.
Set this in place.
Yeah. You like
You look very pretty. Do you look like?
wow. A ghost.
Open.
Tell you. Any daughter do them father like this. I say they love them. I don't think so. Wow. It's like you're there jail and would have gone to your head. Never make no deal with your daughter. Trust me.
Let's see if we look. You actually look cute.
Me
like
look
once the
cute.
lashes went on.
Mamma mia.
Okay, we have one step left to do. We're gonna do it off camera and then we're gonna come back and close the video. Because he's mad and I need him to stay long enough to close the video. So I'm gonna hurry up and wrap it up. Guys, he is so mad. Yeah, if you guys ever freaking tell me I look like him ever again in my life, it's on site. So how do you feel?
Terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible. All the gentlemen out there, never promise no daughter to do no makeup. And never do it because they're going to turn you into a mad woman. Mad.
Why can't you open your eyes wider?
Homeless. I feel like I'm homeless right now. Homeless.
Why are you so mad?
My daughter says she love me. I don't think so.
I do love you.
And do me like this?
Yes, because people always tell me I look like you in a way. How?
I don't know.
You look... My God, you are ugly.
I know that. But next time, it won't be a next time.
You are rocking them bangs though.
Rocking bangs.
Guys, I tell you, I've never laughed this much in my entire life.
You get your wish, man. That's why.
I can't believe I talked to you into this.
You get your wish. I'm running away from it much months and weeks.
Yeah, you've been hiding.
So
this is what you get.
Me, I will never promise you anything again like this. You? Right. Don't worry yourself. You want payback?
You look beautiful.
Beautiful. Not you, Mama Dia, me a favor. Madia. I know you like Madia. Mad woman from downtown. Sleep a roadside.
You definitely look like you have pet squirrels. Like
Yes. Wow.
Okay.
You have your fun. You won't have no more fun in your life, you know. So this is your fun.
If you guys don't hear from me, he killed me.
Don't worry. No more fun you know have. You have enjoy your fun.
Come pose with me. If you ever tell me I look like him again, I'm so offended. But thank you so much for doing it, Mom. Mom.
Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
I don't feel like Santi right now.
You don't feel like the fashion man?
Nope. Mad woman, mad right now. I feel like mad. No more fashion man right now.
I think you look beautiful.
Yeah, to you.
Not even to me, I'm lying.
Okay, I know you're lying. Okay. Have your fun, man. Run with your fun.
I love it because I know how mad he is. This is too funny. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching me and my beautiful twin sister.
Twin sister, all right. Anything you want to say right now? You get your chance. You run with it.
Until next time, guys.
Next time with you alone. Next time not with me.
Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and stay beautiful.
Beautiful, no? Hungry. I'm hungry, man, right now.
Why are you angry?
Because I make a deal and I never know the deal gonna turn out like this. But when I make deal, you have to go through the deal. But no more deal with you.
You never heard like don't make deal with the devil?
Exactly. Next time, Flapper, you'll never hold me like this. Alright, Flapper.
Come, let's do it together. You have to pull this one and just.
No, I'm not gonna pull it like that. I'm gonna pull him like that. Don't make me look like Susan to you. Pull like that.
Thank you so much for watching. Stay fit, stay blessed, and stay beautiful.
Peace, my friend.